Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startup across our country. Let me tell you one thing, experience is the best teacher. So let's know more about such wonderful experiences from various CEOs and founders of incredible startups. The question is that why you should watch this interview. You should watch this interview if you're a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview if you want to know the merits and demerits of starting a fresh new business. So let's jump into the interview. For today's interview, we have Mr. Sudarshan Chetu with us, the branding guru, TV host and anchor at Leaders Today, Z Cafe HD, multi-dimensional coach. He apply art, that is action, reason and thought, and guide passionate companies and startups to become brand. A thought leader and brand evangelist. He is an advertising and marketing industry professional, having an exposure over 25 years with 18 plus years of entrepreneurial experience as a brand building consultant. He worked with passionate companies like MNCs, corporate, startups, entrepreneurs and business owners, delivering them high profit. He empowered companies, products and initiatives with the art of brand building, achieving the action through validate reasons, driven through thoughts, the artistic approach to brand building. So let's know more about this wonderful startup from Sudarshan himself. So good afternoon, sir. I am More Tanvi from Startup Lanes, and we are really very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me here. It's a pleasure.
Sir, I will please request you to introduce yourself to our viewers.
Yeah. Hi, everybody. My name is Sudarshan Ramakrishna Chetu. I'm the founder of SCTS Global Branding Private Limited and the MD of the company. It's an advertising agency that is based into, of course, you can understand by the name, brand building solutions for clients across the globe. And it's been 2 decades since we are into the industry. We started in 2002, so almost 2 decades. My individual experience is close to 27 years in brand building. Okay. And so that's it about SCTS, and we've done a lot of branding cross globally also, in cross market, like continents like Africa, Europe, for our clients. And we have a very special experience of close to 15 years in healthcare marketing. Okay. It just happened all of a sudden, and nothing directed towards healthcare, but then, it just happened that people referred and we worked, so we got clients after clients in healthcare. Mm-hmm. Maybe you can think of the top 10 pharmaceutical, healthcare and wellness companies. You would have worked for 3 of them in the last 20 years. So that's how it's been. Great. Yeah, so that's it about SCTS.
Mm-hmm. So sir, how did you come up with this idea?
Oh, the idea, of course, everybody starts off with a job. Even I was working in advertising agencies and all. Mm-hmm. And somewhere, the first agency that I worked with really made a difference in my life, because I had such brilliant bosses. And it was called Taurus Incorporated, Sharma Sharma and Karan bosses. It was really amazing to have them. And they just let me out like a free bird. Do whatever you want. Explore every area, whatever you want to do. You want to go to the client, you want to sit on the computer, because I joined as a trainee over there, and within 3 years I became the creative head of the agency. So that helped me hone my skills a lot. And then I was, even writing copies, I was creating briefs, I was brainstorming with clients, I was going to clients and coming back, learned the art of production, and I did a lot of work in those 3 years, 3-4 years. It was like office was my home. So I put in all the hard work that I could, not because I wanted to work hard, but because there was the passion to do something. Yeah. And I was really, really into brand building at that time. How do you write amazing ideas? What makes the world go on? What makes a brand shine? How do you take it into the hearts of the minds of the people? That was what always, inspired me. So that's how it started. Then I changed jobs, got into other agencies, but I found over time, there is a very big problem that I found with, with wherever my friends were working, or we had peers who would keep going and giving interviews. Yeah. The idea was that dreams were not being looked at, from an angle where a person is oriented, or the mind is oriented toward a certain kind of thinking. Like if you are wanting to go to an advertising agency and you're a copywriter, I don't think the background matters.
Mhm.
What matters is, do you have an idea and do you know how to write? It
Mhm.
doesn't matter whether you've done English honors or whether you've done journalism or you've had a past experience. Similarly, people getting into art
Mhm.
in advertising agencies, they face this kind of a problem. And I also face it at times when I actually wanted to be a strategist, and I was like,
Okay.
actually, I will not name certain agencies that I went to. They said that you're talking too big. So I did
Mhm.
not. I understand the idea of what being big or thinking big was.
Mhm.
But my direction and my entire skill is honed, or my makeup, or the way I respond and reciprocate to my environment and how I understand and seek information.
Mhm.
I'm a strategist at the core. I am from the art college, that is fine.
Mhm.
So I think this should not be a hindrance. And when I was working with advertising agencies, apart from Taurus and other agencies and all, I also found that the client servicing people had a lot of value over the art department.
Mhm.
And it only mattered if the client servicing executives or directors, they would sell a job and come back, and they would be rewarded, and the creative team would just be looking at what's happening.
Mhm.
That is when I decided that I would like to make an agency where only the creative is the key focus, concept is the key focus, thinking is the key focus, and I will not pay attention to a person's background, where the person comes from. I
Mhm.
would rather look at how the person's mind is bent, and to what it is bent, and what is the acumen in the person.
Mhm.
Because I know I can train a person. So, in my entire 20 years of advertising agent, my own entrepreneurship, believe me, I've had just twice an occasion when these two people were from art college. The other people, everybody who is working in my team even now, none of them is from the art college. They were
Mhm.
from modest backgrounds, like having learned from Aptech Arena, or done some computer course, or
Mhm.
just studied around the gully and corner, and they just came and they wanted to do something. And I
Mhm.
was like, okay, if I don't give him a job, nobody will give him a job. Where will he go? So let me train him. So I trained them, and they were having clients like Maxi and Lily and everything, and handling their international campaigns. So I was able to
Mhm.
do that to them.
Great.
This is the
So,
story.
sir, as you mentioned that you have almost completed 2 decades in this company. So, if you can recall, what was the most difficult part in the early stage of the journey?
See, the most difficult thing, it is. I found that in to when you go out as your own on your own, it
Mhm.
is very difficult for people to believe that you can actually make it, and you can actually come up with brilliant ideas, or you have the strength to actually carry it out. I'll tell you something very interesting. When I gave my life's first interview after my college,
Mhm.
it was taken by some person. I don't through my father's friend's connection, something. So that guy came and took the interview. He was
Mhm.
here in Delhi. I waited at his hotel till about 8, 9 in the evening. He had gone for a meeting. Then he came. He
Mhm.
sat in an interview with me. He said, "I'm so sorry, son, you were there, but let me just see what you can do." And
Mhm.
he was from, I think that gentleman was in a leading newspaper in Mumbai, heading a division.
Okay.
He took an interview which lasted 4 to 6 hours. And he told me at that time, I'm talking about year 1997 or 98. He said,
Mhm.
"You should start your own agency." I said, "But I don't know anything. This was in the year 96 or 7 odd, 7.
Mhm.
I said that but I don't know how to do. I only know these things because I'm passionate about it. He said,
Mhm.
"See, I thought I'll recommend you for a job, but now I won't, because I'll have to find a person who can actually mentor you. Otherwise, your entire direction, people will take
Mhm.
advantage, or you might lose focus, because you really need a good mentor. You've got an excellent imagination, and your thought process is very good."
Mhm.
For us, it lasted. So this is what it is. What I feel is that people should be given a chance, and if there is a new agency walking in, give them the chance, give them the opportunity to do something.
Mhm.
Look at what they can do. Look at their strengths.
Yeah.
I'm sure everybody has some or the other strength. You have a certain strength in you, and probably that's why you're interviewing. Maybe that's
Mhm.
your strength. You know, you need
Mhm.
not be an advertising agency background, having that kind of a background to interview someone like me, or even a CEO of a multinational company. If you have interviewing skills, I think that's what it counts. And I don't think you studied how to interview people anywhere in school or college.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
So, sir, as per my knowledge, before 2002 also there were, advertising agencies. So, what was the market gap that you identified before commencement?
Oh yeah, so that's very interesting. I'll tell you, I was never into identifying any market gaps or where I could build my niche and all. It started with passion.
Okay.
These terminologies, identifying market gaps or finding out the space where you can land your product or put yourself in. These come much later. The first and the foremost is the passion. If you have the passion, I believe in the instrument like a guitar or a drum kit or anything.
Okay.
It has 6 strings, it has so many notes. There are a million compositions that are world famous, and there are a million more or a billion more that it will come that the instrument will come out with.
Yeah.
So that is the possibility. So I don't think market gaps or anything like that exists. If you have the passion, I had the passion. I went and met people, and me and my wife, she would do the client servicing, and she would talk to people, and then we both would go, and then I would work on my computer. Those days it was a 786 that I used to work on. I don't know if you have ever even heard of a 786. Right? So that's how we started, and when we got our first healthcare client, Ranbaxy, very excited. So we nurtured the client, and you know how you nurture. It was not by any marketing terminology called farming or seeding or sowing. It was your passion that you were there to do work and you wanted to do work. Give me another brand, I'll do. That was the thing. When there were agencies competing, give me an opportunity, I'll do it. I was never with the idea of farming or anything like that. If you have the passion, it will happen. If you have the passion, it will happen. I think that's the same.
True, very true. So my next question is that can you explain your business model in detail?
Okay, my business model in detail, if you're asking how we get clients and what it is like, believe me, we've done only 2 cold calls when we started our agency.
Okay.
We have always been referred from them. The business model is very simple. A person who comes to you, your first client would be very difficult to get. But when you get the first client, you would at least tell 2 other people.
Yeah.
Or at least you would understand to say, I have this client and I can talk about that client. That would give you 4 clients.
Yeah.
When your 5 other clients do not get you another 10 clients, there's something wrong that you are doing. I think there is no model that is greater than this. A client recommending another peer or a partner in the industry or some other business owner or another company or a peer, like people working in different companies who are directors of marketing and all. If they're not recommending, there is something wrong at your end. That is the greatest business model that I have found, to be able to deliver to the client what the client asks, and then definitely coming up with products also. Internal growth is very, 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 very important. So we were always abreast of the things. All my team was, very proficient in entire production technology. I would keep telling them how production happens, film production, print production, digital productions, honing your skills, understanding how you can be a better person the next day so that you are in a position to discuss with your client, Like, for example, when we do packaging design in our agency, we never start off with the design. We always look at the end product, what we want, and we work in reverse because we know how it is to be produced. What would be the feeling in your hand when you will hold a pack of, say, a cosmetic or a medicine or any kind of a thing, What would be the tactile experience? What should it look like? What should the visual experience be like? And then understanding if we have to get that kind of an experience, what is the technology we want to use? So if that is the technology, then what is the design we should prepare that could be transferred onto that technology? So this is how we work, right? So we understand the process, we understand the limits and limitations, and we understand how to come up when all ends are blocked. When you're in a traffic jam and nothing can happen, still how do you do it? I think we are experts in that and our clients believe us for that. And then coming up with products, like I said, we have a brilliant product called Brand Resuming, which actually, dissects your brand right through the center and rips it apart. It's a 20 to 25 hours brainstorming program where the client understands the brand potential in such detail that he or she wouldn't have imagined ever. and even we wouldn't have imagined ever. So we've come up with this extremely amazing questionnaire of 25 questions.
Okay.
Because after that, once having gone through that questionnaire, a client is clear about customer acquisition, the kind of customer, the kind of segment, the kind of targeting, the kind of positioning, the entire brand story, the personality, the value propositions, the brand USP discriminators, the marketing challenges, the content strategy, everything is clear through that. So a client becomes very well equipped once he goes through the brand resume. Then we have a product called, because then it will help in deciphering good brand stories, ideas and everything, and then you can bring them into action. Then our latest product which I want to talk about is called Brand Trigger. You can see the logo on the screen also.
Yeah.
This has been especially designed compiling my entire 25 years of knowledge that I have gathered in the industry by staying in the battlefield. So it is a set of webinars and courses that is especially for brand marketeers and entrepreneurs across the country, across any segment, to help them understand how they can build their brand and how brand building is supposed to be done while creating your own market differentiation. So it is to equip all those entrepreneurs in brand building, because people find that to be such an expensive exercise, and out of 100 entrepreneurs, only 2 approach a good brand building consultant. Only 1 approaches a decent brand building consultant. 5 of them approach someone who might be good enough and who can do their work. 15 of them compromise with someone with maybe do a little bit around what they want. 50 out of them, 50 to 60 go to mediocre people. And the remaining just keep struggling on what they want to do. The result being, the entrepreneurs are not able to grow and create market differentiation for themselves. So what if you as an entrepreneur know what design thinking in brand strategy is all about? We are not teaching design here. We are not telling how you have to write. We are not telling you how to make a square or, operate the computer or sketch or draw. We are teaching design strategy. That's what I'm coaching. What does your brand need? If you know that well, if you know the personality, whatever your dream is, how you can translate into your brand personality, how you can identify your own customer, how you can find the potential of your own brand, how you can find in which segment your brand can actually sell, whether it is someone or the people will fall in love with or want or need or dislike or desire or aspiration. It gives you a lot of scope in understanding and creating your own brand strategy, how you need to go about. I have already a few entrepreneurs working with me on this one, and we are in week 3 of it, and they are already finding amazing results with that. So they say, we now know what we have to say. See, brand building is very simple. What do you want to say? How do you say it? To whom will you say it? And where will you find that person? We are teaching this entire initiative of us.
Great. So, sir, just now you mentioned few of your products, but our viewers are laymen. They don't know much about advertisement agencies and how does it work. So, can you explain your products and services that you provide to your customers?
Okay. In layman language, if you were asking me something to explain, anything related to advertising and marketing. Like, you come up with advertising campaigns, audio visuals like television commercials, product films, documentaries for products, internal films, brand campaigns, advertising campaigns, outdoor billboard campaigns, digital campaigns that are there now on the social media, all these kind of campaigns, we are into all those kind of work. We create all those. So create karne ka matlab, the most important thing is over there. That whatever you're trying to show, what is the messaging behind it? We are experts in building your right content and what you should say so that another person is impressed by your brand. That is where we come in. So they have these brochures, logos. People come to us for creating brand names, and we create brand names. It takes a lot of research for that. Then creating brand identities, that is logo designing. We do not do logos like something like you give us today, you get it tomorrow. We take a good 15 to 20 days time. That's how the kind of thinking we put into it. Positioning statement, like Usually people call it as tagline, which I hate so much. It's not a tagline. It's a
Okay.
positioning statement. Yeah. So that's a different debate altogether. You know, we can have it sometime later.
Yeah.
So this is what we do, and whatever you see in the form of a creative communication collateral that you come across in the market, we do all those kind of things. Whether it is exhibitions, whether it is films, whether it is brochures, whether it is catalogs, whether it is ad campaigns, whether it is digital campaigns, audio-visual media, jingles, everything put together. That's what we do in SCDS. And definitely that is how to think for all those mediums is what we are teaching in Brand Trigger. That is our greatest initiative, and we would like that to grow as much as possible.
Okay. So, sir, as we are in media industry, creative industry,
Yeah.
so here the
Yeah.
customers are the king. Like we have to design the product as per the customers. So I want to know who
Okay.
are your exactly target customers?
My target customers. Well, see, we're experts in healthcare marketing, so definitely healthcare marketing. You know, wellness products, nutrition products. That is a happening thing, and I think it's been predicted to be about a $3 trillion industry today.
Okay.
You know, yeah, it's the industry of the future. You know, wellness industry. So we are definitely looking at healthcare, wellness, pharmaceuticals, and these kind of clients, and diagnostics, and yeah, we recently had appliances clients, so we are also looking at that kind of a thing. Basically, anything related to healthcare, pharmaceutical wellness, and we're also looking at FMCG clients who want us to, think for them. And we would be very interested in startups. That is the thing, because that is where we would like to do. As a matter of fact, at SCDS, if we would have done 1,000 projects, 950 of those would have been project launches. We launched Revital, Volini, Cherry Cough, so many brands for Ranbaxy in African and European markets for them, mostly in African markets. I mean, for most of the work that we have done, it has been from launch stage to getting it to multi-million-dollar status. So we are very good at that. That is what I would definitely look at, because I can advise over there. Branding doesn't begin after. There's a very interesting product that we are working on right now. It is yet to be launched.
Okay.
And we are already working on that product for the past 1.5 years. We're even working inside the product development, what it needs to be, what should be the kind of wood, what should be the kind of acrylic or glass that should be used in it, how much should be the bed, what should be the sheen. There are so many things we're working on. It's a wonderful product. It will be India's first indigenously made espresso coffee machine, home edition.
Okay.
So, yeah, 1.5 years we've been working on that, and it is all set to launch probably in the next month or so. We're already working on another second model of it, a cheaper model of it, because the one that is home espresso is close to ₹1,00,000.
Okay.
Otherwise, it actually costs around 2.5-3 lakhs, any model, home model. And we'll be coming up with commercial models also in that. And another pour over tea coffee, which is not more, it is just 14,000-15,000. We just finished the product design of it. We've suggested even product designing in that, how it has to do with the client. So we involve ourselves inside out. We work through branding from the inside out. That's
all the very best for your new product, sir. And with this, my next question is that as a customer, why one should choose your products and services over your competitors?
Oh no, we have believed in one thing. People who have to come to us, most of the time we always say to people, please shop around and then come. Not a problem at all. When you're totally dissatisfied with everyone, then come to us. And if still there are opportunities, because they would like to work with us, the reason why that was especially for people who like to debate a lot on the price structure or everything, because human resource costs a lot of money. If I put in a good resource, I have to pay the good resource.
Yeah.
So why someone should choose us over others? Number one, we are a small team.
Okay.
We all work from home today, each of us. Our overheads are very few, so our costing is very effective. I mean, I don't mean to say that we work simply dirt cheap. No, we work at a fee which is affordable for our client, and our fee structure is around that. Let me first talk business. The second thing is we can create campaigns like any other top class agency of the world, and we have actually received that these kind of reviews from all our clients till date.
Mhm.
And just because of COVID, a lot of things have happened and earlier. Otherwise, most of our clients are still in
Mhm.
touch with us for over 2 decades.
Okay.
There has to be a reason why billion-dollar clients, billion-dollar companies trust someone
Mhm.
as small as of 8 to 10 professionals or someone like that, and they keep getting work done from them. There
Mhm.
has to be something. Yeah, and that something is the passion we build in, the
Mhm.
creativity we bring inside, and the originality. We talk meaningful things. We are not into that dramatization. We believe in
Mhm.
bringing out the essence of a brand, and our
Mhm.
clients like that. And I think that is the reason why someone should come. We are very good listeners that way.
Mhm.
We listen to everything that a client has to say,
Mhm.
and then based on that, the result is very good. And we help our clients. We educate our clients with everything. We don't hide anything.
Mhm.
Whether it's production or anything, our principles are very clear. Branding is important.
Mhm.
We are not important. The client is not important. The product is important. So
Yeah.
what does it mean? That is the case.
Okay. So, sir, as you mentioned that you are a very small team, but still you need you need people to work in your agency as well as the
Yeah,
product you are
yeah,
working on. So the
yeah.
next question I wanted to ask that as a job applicant, why one should choose to work with you?
This is a wonderful thing. So, like I told you, I have never, it has happened only twice that I have taken people who are qualified from an art college and worked in my
Yeah, you
agency.
mentioned.
The reason why someone should choose us is because I'll just give you one example. We had a person who worked with us. He came to me in 2007.
Okay.
I asked him, "What do you want to do and what does he know?" He said, "Sir, I know he came from Bihar,
Mhm.
so you can imagine in Hindi how he would have spoken.
Mhm.
I mean, nothing against him, beautiful human being." He
Mhm.
said, "Sir, I know थोड़ा फोटोशॉप आता है
Mhm.
और फ्लैश आता है थोड़ा."
Mhm.
मैंने कहा, "अच्छा क्या काम करूँ?" मैंने सर इतना करें। मैंने कहा, "कोरल डू यू नो कोरल?" कहता है, "कोरल
Mhm.
सीख।" मैंने कहा, "ओके, मेरे को दिखाओ फ्लैश में क्या कर सकते हो, फोटोशॉप और फ्लैश को यूज करके।" Believe me, he was searching the keyboard for the letter A for the next 10-20 minutes. Where is the letter A?
Okay.
And I thought that if this person goes out for a job, nobody is going to give him money.
Mhm.
So what will he do? How will he live his life? So I took him on a stipend of around 1,500 or 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
I trained him to 8 months, and within 5 years, he became Microsoft certified and left my agency.
Okay.
That is the reason why somebody should come to us, because whoever has come here has only gained.
Mhm.
Has only gained. I always tell anybody who joins my team,
Mhm.
give me 3 years of your life,
Mhm.
give me 3 years of your life 24/7, and I'll give you the rest of your lifetime.
Mhm. That's a really beautiful thought. My next question is very interesting, sir. If not this company, what else you would
Uh,
be doing right now?
if not this company,
Yeah.
then what else would I be doing? I would be teaching.
Okay.
Definitely, I have been a teacher,
Mhm.
and I have taught all these people. I love teaching, and that's the reason why Brand Trigger has also started. It is the innermost passion that I have. That is, to coach someone, to teach someone, and to watch someone learn and grow. I think there is nothing equal to that in this entire creation. There
Mhm.
is no profession equal to that in this entire creation. What I feel always. Of course, there are very good professions. No disrespect to any. You could be a doctor, which is simply outstanding. You're saving lives. You could be a
Mhm.
soldier on the border.
Mhm.
Definitely, everybody contributes. So teacher instills a lot of things in someone, and they are change drivers of the society. I call
Mhm.
them the Autobots,
Yeah.
the Transformers, Autobots of the society who
Mhm.
train and transform lives. So I would have been that, and beyond that, I would have been. I don't know. There are so many things that I have done where I would have gone. I'm a professional musician, I'm a
Mhm.
professional painter, I'm a professional songwriter, composer, story
Okay.
writer. I don't know what. I played sports and all. So I think I would have been a teacher and a professional musician. That's what I would have been.
That's
These
the
are the two.
best thing I have heard today because as you know that today is Guru Purnima, so you wanted to like you would like to be a teacher. That's a really good thing.
No,
My
because I
next,
learned from the best of the teachers that one could ever pray for in life.
I'm sure. I'm sure.
So I'm grateful that this is happening today. It just even I realized when I was sitting, oh, today is Guru Purnima.
Yeah.
So I would like to thank my teachers, my
Mhm.
two teachers, my father and my teacher, Mr. M.R. Ranjan, who gave me the direction in life. They are the only two people. And of course, my teacher, M.R. Ranjan, he shaped me up in ways that even I can't imagine. So that's it. And my coaches, where I learned cricket and all that. So, आप हर एक से कुछ ना कुछ सीखते ही हो life में.
Very true.
People learn. Even I'm learning from you in this interview. So you learn from everyone. So you have so many cells, and each cell is porous. Be prepared to learn. That's what I believe in.
So my next question is that what are the products and services you are in daily requirement of that helps you to run your business smoothly?
Products and services that I'm daily requirement of. See, being a small team, we do not have much because see, we are in the business of where we are creating ideas for people. So the most that we are in requirement of is, like when our ideas get translated into something that a client wants. It could be a printed brochure, it could be an ad campaign, it could be a TVC and all that. So that is when we look for production houses, production teams, print production houses, audio visuals, sound recorders, sound engineers, or printers or small time printers, big time printers, to come up with these kind of things. And definitely we are always on the lookout for digital marketing experts. We are on the lookout for growth hack engineers. And I've come across one who is simply amazing. So we recommend, because see, we are the place, we are the epicenter. You know what mitochondria is in a cell?
The powerhouse.
Yeah, so this is the powerhouse where ideas are created and all strategies are created. And it is applied by PR agencies, digital marketers, website designers, social media marketers, media planners and everything. So everything goes out from this mitochondria. So we are always on the lookout for all these kind of professionals, and we keep recommending all these people whom we have worked with and to our clients. In fact, we have a team of around 10 to 12 consultants with us who are simply outstanding in their work. Yeah. So
sir, within a year or two, you will complete your 2-decade anniversary, I'm guessing. So, at this point, what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
Brand Trigger. Brand Trigger. I want to take it nationwide. I want to take it from Kashmir to Kanyakumari so that, people who can't afford education, because this course talks about things that even institutes, MBA colleges or no art institute talks about, For example, let me ask you very simple. So there are certain word marks we have created for this. There are a lot of things that are there, how to acquire customers, Nobody teaches in the art college. People learn applied art and they build campaigns on what basis? On what basis are they creating that content? And how effective is that content? What are they thinking when they're writing that? So the idea is to, once they learn from the art college and these wonderful art colleges and MBA institutes and all that, to get them the inside story of what is happening actually inside the world. Usually the journey is from the classroom to boardroom, right?
Yeah.
This course is about right from boardroom to the classroom. Because these courses and the principles and everything that I have developed in this has been out of my own experience of 25 years, having sat with senior management professionals, CEOs, CFOs, CMOs and all that, cracking these brand stories on what basis we did. So all that brainstorming is there in these courses. So this is a fresh light. People will be more equipped when they join or when they are being interviewed by any other company. Most of the people who are actually who are brand marketers or brand managers in companies, they have no experience of color. They have no experience of personality. It is only a written experience. But what is the visual experience? Right? So there are a lot of things in which they can grow themselves and get new insights into. And similarly, when people pass out, there are from art colleges also. Or no, let's not even talk about art colleges. Let's talk about people who do these courses like Aptech, Arena, and all that, or anybody coming up with those kind of things. They are good with the tool.
Yeah.
They know how to do Photoshop. But what they are supposed to do and how about cracking the big idea, they have no idea of that. And I used to always tell these people, do you think you will always be paid this money for the kind of work that you are doing, that is only creating designs that are taken from a layout, that a visualizer comes or a senior art director comes or a creative director briefs you on? What is your way of thinking? And their way of thinking was messed up totally. So I trained them in those thinking. That how do you think in strategy? That is when they themselves created campaigns for Revital, Volini, Pepes, and Hansen, Ciprofloxacin, these kind of brands. And today, and because see, a computer operator can never ever dream of earning 1.5–2 lakhs a month 10 years down the line. Nobody will pay. You already have so many video softwares where video editors have become mundane.
Yeah.
So what is it that will drive you? This course talks about how to design think. Thinking on design. And what exactly is design thinking? How do you make the life of the person who is going to use your design simple? That's it. How will it be easy? Non-stressing. Where he doesn't need to stress any part of his memory to think anything. That is design thinking. Simple. एक बटन दबाओ काम हो जाएगा. That is design thinking. When you create a design, that is actually engineering a design. Even when you're working and creating a design on paper, you're engineering your thought. The design is already thought. It's there. So this course uses the artistic way of looking at branding, and by artistic way I mean action, reason, and thought. That is what art is all about. A thought that is validated by reasons, which is founded by the action.
So, sir, are you planning to raise external funds? And if not now, then are you planning to do so in near future?
Definitely. Why not? Why not? See, this is a huge potential because there are so many entrepreneurs and so many people in this country who can't afford education. Even in it, you can't afford to be, institutes cost lakhs and lakhs of rupees. So my idea is to make it accessible to those people, so that somebody sitting in Guntur or somebody sitting in Guyana or somebody sitting in some district of Jammu and Kashmir or Gonda Zilla of UP, if he knows if he's a designer, he's worked on the computer, he knows Photoshop, Corel and all, he feels he wants to do something over there, can do this course. Because the knowledge that is being given in this course is coming from, from those people who are actually running multi-crore, multi-billion-dollar businesses. That is where we came from. I came from. That is where I work with. And if they know how to think, their life will be a tad much better than what they have right now. And if in India we do not support entrepreneurship with such initiatives, then we are heading south. We need to promote entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs run this country. They build dreams. They are the most fearless people on this planet, and especially in our country. And I want to do it to help entrepreneurs, people who are getting into advertising agencies, people who want to grow their career, because I train. I've brought in even, and my knowledge in this comes from so many fields, because I'm a professional musician, a professional writer, a professional composer, a professional, motivational speaker. I have been a teacher in the Architecture College, Sushant School of Art and Architecture, as a visiting faculty for over almost 8 to 9 years, where I was teaching design thinking through art and graphics. And then, so there is all this experience that is brought into this course. It is not just design. It is about music, design, visual art, everything put together in 3 months of time. I don't say after 3 months you'll become an expert, but when you practice what has been taught in 3 months for the next 3 years, whatever you would achieve in the next 15 years, you can achieve in 5 years.
Sir, wrapping up this wonderful session, I would love to hear feedback on Startup Lanes, and also if you want to thank or appreciate someone from your team or friends and family, then please go ahead.
Oh, definitely. You know, um, I was just preparing a small, creative today to put it to send it to my friends to WhatsApp.
Okay.
It's Guru Purnima, and I believe that creation is a result of imagination.
Mhm.
Absolute. When imagination is right, creation begins when imagination is right. Imagination begins when knowledge is right.
Mhm.
Right? And knowledge begins when the giver is right
Yeah.
with it. So, uh, I take this occasion to thank everyone whom I've come across in my life.
Mhm.
Friends, families, peers, everyone. And because whatever knowledge they have shared with me is the result of what I am today and what my company is today.
Mhm.
So that is what I would say to everyone over there.
Mhm.
Even if you met me for 5 minutes, I'm sure I would have learned something from you. Same goes with you also, right? So that is something that I would say, and definitely gratefulness. I can never ever be grateful to my teachers, like I told you, my teacher, Mr. Nirmal Ranjan, and then my first teacher, my father,
Mhm.
and then of course these are the things. Baki family to hai definitely my wife, son, and everybody they are there, and even people who have supported all along. There's so many entrepreneurs go through hell and fire. It's a lake of fire. Like, they're literally jumping, heads first into the fire. That's what they are, and that is because you are surrounded by such amazing friends for life who will, make sure they'll pull you out. So thanks to all of those, there are so many I can't name, but they know who they are,
Mhm.
right? Definitely, and yeah, so that's it. Like, and definitely for something for Startup Lanes, thank you so much for considering my interview, and I think it's a privilege to be here.
Mhm.
And as a message to all Startup Lanes people, also, I'm a host of a internationally aired program called Leaders Today on Z Cafe HD, and it is about bringing to light entrepreneurs who deserve to be brought to light. And
Mhm.
so definitely do spread the word to all of those people because they are doing something that we all are so proud of.
Yeah.
And thanks to them. And I really hope that things go well and everybody is happy and safe and
Mhm.
emerges out, with whatever best that you can,
Mhm.
with the best version of yourself through this entire season of what we have seen in the last 1.5 years. Thank you so much.
Hope the same, sir. It was lovely talking to you, and thank you so much for your time and for your crucial words. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.